bellows globe valve produced by Xianfeng Valve is a valve that uses a metal bellows as the core sealing element. Its working principle is as follows. First, the sealing mechanism. The elastic deformation of the metal bellows to achieve dynamic sealing between the valve stem and the bottom. The upper end of the bellows is welded to the copper, and the lower end is connected to the stem, forming a closed cavity. Completely isolate the medium from the external environment, achieving zero leakage. Second, opening and closing process. A. Closing. Stem down to fit disc to seat. The bellows are compressed and shrunk, blocking the fluid flow. B. Open. Stem lift drive bellows to stretch. The valve disc leaves the seat. The medium flows through the valve chamber. Third, core advantages. Double sealed bellows packing design. Even if the bellows fail, the filler seal can still be used. It's adaptable. It can cope with small displacements caused by temperature. Maintain sealing stability. 4. Typical applications. It is suitable for flammable, explosive, toxic or high purity media, such as the working conditions of chlorine and hydrogen, especially in industrial scenarios that emphasize leak prevention. Thanks for your attention. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.